Everyone, I hope you all are fine. So let's start our today's session. In our today's session, I have brought the study of modern periodic table. So first of all, we have to understand it was given by Moseley, and he said in his periodic law that the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number, not on the atomic masses. Okay, so modern periodic table, what it is? A systematic arrangement of elements into groups and periods on the basis of similarities in chemical properties and in order of increasing atomic number is called modern periodic table. Okay, so he arranged all the known elements in increasing order of atomic number in groups and periods. So all the vertical columns were called groups and horizontal rows were called periods. Okay, so there are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. So first period containing 2 elements, second and third is containing 8 elements. So first period is to be known as very short period, second is to be known as short period, and fourth and fifth period is containing 18 elements, so it is to be called as long period, and sixth period it is containing 32 elements, so it is to be called very long period, and last one it is of incomplete, so that we call it incomplete period. Okay, now let's start the learning tricks of the modern periodic table. Okay, so now first of all I will tell you the tricks of S and P block. So here we have to understand group 1 and 2. Group 1 and 2 comes in S block. Okay, so you see here the learning trick of S block. Group 1, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So its learning trick is to be of hi, lela, ne, ki, rab, se, faryad. Okay, now next it is to be of group 2. Group 2 element symbols are to be beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So their learning trick is to be of bechare majnu ka sir bada rangila. Okay, now next it is to be of group 13. So element symbols are to be boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. These are the symbols. Okay, and the name are to be boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Its learning trick is to be Ba Al Ganesh in Thailand. Okay, now let's come on the another group, that is of group 14, and element symbols are to be C, Si, Ge, Sn, Pb, and name are to be carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Its learning trick is to be Ka, Sai, Ji ne sent Prabhat par dala. Okay, now next come on the group 15. Group element symbols are N, P, As, Sb and Bi. Elements name nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and its learning trick is to be Na pakdo aise sab bimar hai. Okay, now let's come on group 16. Element symbols are oxygen, O, S, Se, Te and Po. U, S, Se, T, Po. Okay, now group 17 it is to be of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Their symbols are to be F, Cl, Br, I and At, and its learning trick is to be of Fasal, Bhar, I, Ate, Ki. Okay, these lines doesn't have any sense or the mean, but this will help you to learn the element symbols in a proper sequence. Okay, now let's come on the next is to be of group 18. Elements names are to be of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Ze and radon this is Rn. Okay, its learning trick is to be of Hina, Nina or Karina ke Xerox Rangeen. I think this will help you to learn all the elements of S and P block very easily. Okay, so in our next session we will discuss about the D block elements. That's all for today.